How to make a photo reel on TikTok. So basically, if you want to make a photo reel on TikTok, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok app first. If you only want to create a certain reel using one single photo or multiple photos, you can tap the plus icon first here and go to templates. You can choose a slideshow template that you want to. So depending upon which template it is that you prefer, I can select that. Then I can tap on try this template, and I can choose maybe up to number of photos that I want in this template. I can tap the next option and it will automatically create a reel or a video based on the template that I have chosen, as you can see right there. So this is one of the simple ways to do this, right? Now another way is I can also just create a reel without these templates by simply tapping on the post icon right here. So let's just tap the plus icon and then go to post and then tap on the photos option and select a number of photos, or I can just tap the next option right there and then I'll be able to add them all together. And this way I'll be able to create a photo reel on TikTok by either using the template or just randomly as such. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.